Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to draw a Porsche Panamera. First, begin by sketching the fundamental proportions of the car. Imagine a long, sleek silhouette, characteristic of the Panamera's design. Establish the car's overall length and height using light, guiding lines. Focus on the extended hood and the distinctive, gently sloping roofline that defines its sporty yet elegant profile. These initial steps are crucial for a balanced and accurate drawing. Next, let's add some of the Panamera's most recognizable features. Carefully sketch the signature 4-point LED headlights, giving the car its intense gaze. Define the expansive front grille and the functional air intakes, which contribute to its powerful stance. Don't forget the unique side window graphic, a hallmark of its sleek profile. Finally, outline the continuous LED taillight strip across the rear, a modern and elegant touch. Now it's time to refine your drawing and bring out the Panamera's sophisticated form. Gently smooth out all your initial construction lines, creating a clean outline. Introduce subtle curves to the body panels, reflecting the car's aerodynamic design. Pay close attention to defining the prominent wheel arches and the thickness of the tires, giving them a grounded feel. Emphasize the muscular shoulders over the rear wheels, highlighting its powerful rear-wheel drive stance. For the final touches, let's add shading and intricate details to make your Panamera drawing truly pop. Use shading to create depth and volume, indicating light sources and shadows across the body. Highlight reflective surfaces, such as the windows and chrome accents, to enhance realism. Carefully add smaller elements like door handles, side mirrors, and the iconic Porsche badge. Vary your line weights to emphasize contours and give your drawing a professional finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.